4-in-1 universal USB cable. It's retail packaging. And then 2 colors available, black and white. Each side we have 2 connectors. Here, Type-C and the Lightning. It also can be attached like this. And also have a LED here. And this side we got Type-C and USB-A. And also it's 5 feet, flat braided. So the 4-in-1 is USB to iPhone, USB to Type-C, Type-C to iPhone, and Type-C to Type-C. As you can see, the packaging is very nice and with barcode. We have ready stocks in 2 colors. It's LED light like this, and it's flat design also with a cable tie to organize your cable.